Time to repot the babies. Going to use baggies. Don't forget to write their names on there. With our beautiful potting mix, I'm going to moisten that after I write the identification numbers on these bags, and then repot the babies. Baby pumpkin plant 6, 7. See how nicely the cotyledons came out of the seed coat when you sand them. They look so good. Very, 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 very nice. What happened? No! Something's not right. 1243 Hornstra. There's the 1864 Toboyak. I don't know how to say it. 1482 Whitty. Not Whitey. Don't say it. 2083 Ledjo. 2350 Morse. The 1054 Grooves. 1048 Edwards. 1864 Fremood. And the 1501 Wagner. I don't know where she is. Alright, let's get these potted up. Let's mix up this potting mix. Some moisture. Don't forget those. Roots. We love roots. I'm bored of this for a while. But this is where my pumpkins are going to stay for a couple weeks, because I need to get my garden ready for planting outside, and it was only 46 degrees today. Little azels for the roots. The Hornstra, is that what we're doing? Yes. Trying to escape. Root. Ta-da! Pumpkin baby! It's April 26th. Bag is 1864 Tobiak. Please, somebody help me. Toboyak. Toboyak? I don't know. I apologize. My name isn't easy to say either. Give this a square bottom. Never really ends up being square. Swirl in it. And we'll put a cup in there. We transplanted the babies. Out of the 10 that I started, 9 of them have germinated, and they all look really nice. They seem pretty healthy. This one has an odd cotyledon deal. The Bledsoe, huge leaves. So I repotted them in a nice potting mix. One of them did not even germinate, so these all germinated really well. And then I have no more room upstairs, so I have to go downstairs. And there's my ninth one, looking super cute, looking good. The baby pumpkins, all down in their luscious potting soil to be there for a week or two. And I will then head outside and get my pumpkin patches ready. So they'll have a couple of them. We'll have a home. We're definitely going to narrow it down. I'm not planting all of these. I don't have that kind of room. I wish I did, but that would be a lot of time and a lot of money. But this is looking very good. Probably should lower my light. I tried to boost up my shelf. I could put another shelf back in here. So that would be an option. But right now I think I'm okay with this. We'll see how it goes. If they get kind of leggy, I will just boost them up. And I have some competition giant tomatoes too growing, and we'll just have to wait on those because right now they are just a teeny tiny little seedling.